Hello, Somma.
Hello!
What have you got for us today?
It's nearly Easter, so I'm going to show you how to draw the Easter bunny. And what's this?
Whoa, what a surprise! That looks amazing. It's like a puppet. Whoa, are you going to show us how to do this?
Yep.
I can't wait. Okay, let's start.
So first, we have to fold the paper.
Okay.
So first we fold it this way.
Alright, got it. Fold it in half.
And then fold only this part down.
Okay.
And then you turn it around.
Alright.
And then you
Let's
do
go
the same
your
thing.
direction. Okay.
Like,
Wow, that
and
looks
then you
so
put
easy.
this up here.
You make it look
and
really
then you put
easy.
that.
Okay, got it.
Okay, and now we draw the bunny's head.
Okay.
So first, the bunny's head is like an oval.
Got it.
So do it like that.
Alright.
It's not a circle, it's an oval.
Got
Like
it.
if you turn it this way, it's an oval.
Okay.
So, and now, we do the bunny ears.
One ear. 2 ears.
2 ears for the bunny ears.
Okay.
And now the inside.
Okay. It's like an upside down U, but really, really long.
And now, the eyes. I'm
One
going to
eye.
make it cutie.
1 circle, 2 circle, for the eyes.
And I'm going to put some highlights.
Ooh, your brother is learning too. Your baby brother's here.
Whoop and down and around and whoop. I did that all in one line.
Good. And you're making the eyes look cute.
Yay!
Very cute.
And now the nose
Okay.
and the line connecting to the mouth.
Got it.
And then now we draw a line here so we know where it's opening and closing.
Oh, so that's the mouth, right?
Yeah.
It's like a very big smile. For the Easter bunny.
This is not a smile. This looks like he's serious. Super duper serious. I'm so serious. I'm so serious. My mouth is touching my cheeks.
He's got a lot of work to do to get eggs to every child around the world. Just like Santa.
And now we do his body.
Okay.
Long body, super tall, he's super tall.
Tall bunny.
And now his arms super long, super long.
Okay.
Super long arms.
One hand or arm. And the second arm.
Because that hand is way down here. Because it's so long. Okay, and now he has a little bow tie.
Oh, a gentleman bunny.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Easter bunny is actually a boy.
Yes.
He's a boy. Oh. Do, 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 do. And now the other side. The same.
Very cute bow.
And now
Like
his tummy.
mini bow bow.
But that girls, it should be here.
That's
It should
true.
be here and here, not here.
Okay.
Okay, and now we do the inside of his mouth.
Alright, open it up.
So now we do the line connecting here,
Oh,
all the way down here.
that's a very big mouth.
Yeah, run. Ah, dabba, dabba.
Got it.
And now we put it.
Another line.
And another one here. 4
Got it.
lines.
Good job.
And now we do that thingy at the back of your mouth. I don't know what
the
it's called.
inside.
I don't know what it's called though. So now we do this thingy.
Oh.
I don't know what it's called.
Okay.
Color it in.
Color, 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 color.
This is gonna take a while. Too big. It's too big. Way too big. Way too big.
I think it's right. Sounds good.
Yeah. We are going left and right, left and right. And done.
Well done.
And now we do the tongue.
Okay.
So it's the tongue is like a heart shape.
Okay. Heart
He has a
shaped
heart
tongue.
shaped tongue. He has a heart tongue.
Yes.
Very cute. And now that we're done with the inside.
Okay.
Wait, no, we're not done with the inside. He doesn't have any teeth.
Uh-oh, we need the bunny teeth.
And that one's meant to be longer, super long teeth. Ah, my gosh.
Oh, now it's looking like a bunny.
And now these teeth. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna count how much teeth he has up here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7?
7 teeth? I think more like 8. 1, 2. Are you counting the 2 teeth there in front as 1? That's
so easy. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay.
I think I have more than 4 teeth than that. Even though I have 2 little teeth.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it time to color it in?
Yep.
All right then.
So first, we'll start with the pink.
Your baby brother is saying hi to the bunny.
It's not a real
bunny.
bunny.
Easter bunny.
It's not a real bunny.
But you drew it really good, so he's thinking it's real.
Yeah, but bunnies look like different. A real bunny looks different to this.
Oh, that's a good color.
I'm not going to make his inside of his ears black. No way. Okay, and there's other parts on him that's pink. So the here is pink.
Okay. How about the tongue?
Yeah, that's pink too. Wait, I'll have to look at this. Yeah, I was pink. And now there's only one part on him that's green.
Okay, rainbow.
Okay, and now for the orange part.
Okay, which one's gonna be orange?
All of this.
Ooh, yep, the inner mouth's gonna be orange.
This is gonna take a while.
Okay.
I'm going to just do lines like that. And then actually now I'm just gonna do this. Oh no! The tooth is orange! Oh my gosh, I'm not good. I need to be careful. I need to be careful. I need to be careful. The lid fell. Okay. Carefully. Oh, this is taking too long.
No. You're doing it fast enough.
Up. Don't color in the teeth. Run. Oh, bumped into a tooth. Up. Climb up the tooth. Whoop. And then be careful climbing down. Oh dear. I'm falling. But
done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Carefully. Yep. I can overlap the pink. Wow. There you go, guys.
Oh, all done. Now raise it up. Let's see. Wow, this is amazing.
And I'll have to fold it this one.
Let's see how it pops. That is pretty cool.
And if you want to make it stand out, you just have to line it up with a black marker.
Oh, yeah. So this one's the one with the black marker, and this one's the one without. Whoa, your drawings look the same, like you actually traced it. Perfect. Well done.
Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos. Bye.